Greetings. Today I will be reading and recording my Week 4 assignment. My name is Daniel Diaz. My GID number is G00160720. Today's date, October 15th, 2018. I begin with my opening statement. To become a successful student at Grantham University, you must have a disciplined work ethic. The road to educational success consists of these core principles: dedication, determination, and commitment. You will also learn how to acquire various mind and skill sets to achieve your goals while you attend Grantham University's professional atmosphere. Attending college online is a unique and wonderful option for many students across the United States. Grantham University excels in maintaining a friendly environment, which gives the student confidence in achieving their goals. However, with such goals come obstacles. We are going to describe some proper study habits along with behavior modifications that will help bring you the academic results you wish to achieve. Let's begin with being organized. It is important to keep the information you will be learning from each class in order. First, you will read your course syllabus as a guideline to follow for your assignments weekly. Correction. To follow your weekly assignments. Knowing what weekly course content is required. Correction. Knowing what course content that is required will help you take the proper steps in the right direction to stay on course. Other tips to reach your goals in becoming a successful student at Grantham University are building a school schedule that fits into your everyday routine, reserving time slots that will work for you in completing your assignments. Skill sets will be the next focus we will be discussing. These concepts will help you in completing your daily academic tasks throughout each course. Listed below are some of the skill sets that you will learn here at Grantham University. Number 1, how to apply critical thinking and improve writing abilities. Number 2, taking notes. Number 3, how to summarize and paraphrase. Number 4, the ability to stay on task. You are probably wondering, how do I stay focused? Which leads us to our next topic of mindsets. This will be one of the most rewarding things you can do as a college student. Changing how you perceive the challenges you will encounter. Correction, that you will encounter. Will give you a clear perspective that will result in enhanced scholastic work. Grit is one of the mindsets that teaches you to not give up. Correction, that teaches you to not give up easily, but rather to persevere, and push through any circumstances. The following lists a summary of Dr. Angela Lee Duckworth's lecture on grit. Number 1, grit is passion and perseverance for very long-term goals. Number 2, grit is having stamina. Number 3, grit is living a life like it's a marathon, not a sprint. These statements from Dr. Duckworth are effective in that they describe how to gain endurance. These statements from Dr. Duckworth are effective in describing how to gain endurance and grit through challenges. Let's view another mindset that can be utilized in your academic pursuits. Growth is a mindset in which one could call a process of development. Once you explore the many facets Grantham University has to offer, you might wonder, how and where do I start? This may be challenging, but if you apply the growth concept, it will help you narrow down the options to choose from. This will help you set a more realistic approach towards your academic goals. In Dr. Carol Dweck's research, the key example in the growth mindset is to progress at each level of learning. She mentions that learning a growth mindset transformed the meaning of effort and difficulty. What can we learn from Dr. DeWeck's research? Is that taking the time to grow in your learning is vital to your academic development in achieving success. Grantham University provides tremendous support and guidance in prioritizing each student's individual needs. This support can be found with the help of your instructor and student advisor. There are also other research tools that can be utilized online, which brings me back to the topic. How do I become a successful student at Grantham University? By applying these core concepts that we describe. Correction, that we have described. By using the time management approach, the selective skill sets. Correction, by using the time management approach, selective skill sets, and various mindset disciplines. You are on your way to obtaining a degree from Grantham University. Correction. Then you are on your way to obtaining a degree from Grantham University. In conclusion, remember, if you want to follow your dreams, it will take time, dedication, commitment, and determination. Having the grit mindset will help you keep your eyes on the prize, thereby pushing you to strive for a higher level of academic learning. Correction. To strive for a higher level of academic achievement. Grantham University will inspire your goals with their professional support and encouragement on a weekly basis until you arrive at your destination of obtaining a college degree. Once you have graduated, you then take all that you have learned, apply it to the job market, then go and make an impacting difference in our society. Thank you, and have a great day.